If you like to earn extra money without breaking a sweat, keep watching this video till the end. To save you time and hours of research, I have made a vast list of online money-making ideas and gigs on the side in this video. All you need to do is set aside some time to watch the whole video. And I'm pretty confident you will find one or two money-making ways in this video. The world is shifting to the on-demand economy, which offers fantastic opportunities for entrepreneurship, money-making, work-from-home online jobs, and time flexibility. Especially after the pandemic, most companies are shifting towards an online model, and work from home has become a norm. This enormous shift has brought multiple opportunities to those who want to earn money from their couch just by using their skills. So, here are the best ways to make money online and start dropshipping. Let's begin our list with one of the most well-liked internet income methods. Dropshipping's popularity is growing, as seen by Google Trends, underscoring its potential as a business concept. There is plenty of evidence that dropshipping is a legitimate method to generate money online, including success tales of how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a business owner made 6 figures selling only one product. Try print on demand. POD, print on demand, is another well-liked method of making money online. Because it has a cheaper overhead than other enterprises, this business model has been embraced by many people in that you don't have to keep inventory or send out packages to consumers yourself. Print on demand is akin to dropshipping. However, there are 2 minor variations. You may first create your unique items, which is excellent for building brand awareness. Second, you have a smaller selection of options rather than a wide variety of categories. T-shirts, mugs, and tote bags are among the things that the majority of print-on-demand businesses sell. Do affiliate marketing. One of the most well-liked methods of earning money online is affiliate marketing. Although its popularity has fluctuated throughout the years, it is still a reliable way to make money online. The most excellent thing about affiliate marketing is the variety of businesses you may choose to work with, such as Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing means selling somebody else's product and earning a commission on every sale. Start a YouTube channel. You can profit from YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, who posts odd antics on his YouTube channel and earned $54 million in 2021, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jake Paul is another great earner who has amassed $4 to $5 million on YouTube by disseminating entertaining prank videos and boxing material. His reputation on YouTube and his boxing career enabled him to leverage his influence to generate income online outside of YouTube. Through YouTube, you can earn with ads as well as affiliate marketing. Create an online course. One of the most acceptable methods to earn money online is by selling courses. You may make money from your expertise by developing online courses if you are an authority on a subject. If you already have a following, you may offer your course on your website in addition to Udemy. Some businesses may make up to $5,000 per month with online courses. Take inspiration from famous courses in your niche to produce a well-liked and profitable course. Publish an ebook. Thanks to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, publishing an ebook has never been simpler. The ebook has to be written, formatted, given a cover, published, and promoted. I published numerous ebooks on Amazon in 2013, and while this did make me wealthy, I did make some money. You can hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer for the cover art, and a manuscript editor to check the text for problems. Start a blog. Blogging is another effective way to make a good income online. People who like writing often launch blogs with a specific audience in mind. For instance, a blog on laziness, automobiles, dropshipping, toys, etc. is frequently broad enough to explore a wide range of topics, yet has a tight enough concentration on attracting a devoted audience. From Shopify, remove the checkout option, so you don't have to pay membership as you grow it out. To WordPress, you can start a blog on various platforms. When you first launch your blog, concentrate on precise keywords with a narrow emphasis and gradually extend into additional but pertinent areas as you gain popularity and control over new markets. Start freelancing. Another way of earning money online is to take your 9-to-5 job and ship to an online model. For instance, if you're an author, admin assistant, graphic artist, teacher, programmer, etc., you may advertise your abilities online and find customers who will hire you to put them to use. For each freelancer, there is also an endless array of work portals to choose from. As an illustration, independent writers can submit applications for positions on specialized online job boards for writers and more general freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. The best part about freelancing is the freedom to choose your schedule and working hours. Create an app. If you're not a programmer, you could be looking at this business concept and feeling a little lost. The good news is that you can hire a programmer to create an app for you. You may find a lot of app developers willing to collaborate with business owners to fulfill their vision if you use websites like TopTop. All you need to do is think up an original idea for an app, determine the target market, and establish your product's brand. The programmer you employ will handle matters related to development. Your greatest hope for generating revenue from your software will be to submit it to Google Play and the App Store. Do translation work. Since there are fewer competitors in the niche product of translation than in other niche sectors, it is considered to be neglected. You must be proficient in at least 2 languages if you want to take advantage of the chance. This might be a fantastic money-making option for you to try out if you are multilingual or majored in a widely used language in school. You'll need to provide evidence of your translation skills. Make sure to emphasize any language training or experience you may have translated texts in your portfolio or resume. Most employers will demand that you pass a translation exam, and you are not permitted to utilize translation aids while taking the test. Sell your stuff. Selling your old items is a simple method to earn additional money. Make sure the products you list for sale are valuable to today's purchasers while employing this tactic. Most individuals immediately consider selling their rubbish, such as outdated CD and DVD. But most individuals are unwilling to purchase those items. Are you going to purchase a CD in 2022? Most likely not. Therefore, please don't waste time attempting to sell it. Concentrate on technology, furniture, toys, and crafts when considering selling your possessions. Become a virtual assistant. The need for virtual assistants is growing practically every day as more and more business owners launch their ventures. A virtual assistant is a self-employed person who works from a distance to provide services to a company. You may provide writing, bookkeeping, social media management, and customer service services. As a virtual assistant, you may locate appropriate employment on virtual office temps, Indeed or Upwork. Many virtual assistants have discovered methods to generate money online by contacting brands and business owners and asking if they need assistance operating their enterprises. That's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thank you.